Hello everyone, this is YouTubeBUDDY. In this video, we are going to discuss about the advantage of data types in TypeScript. There are 2 points here. The first one is static type checking. We have discussed about static type checking in our previous video. Now, in this video, we will discuss about the second point, which is one of the best and very useful feature given by TypeScript. That is IntelliSense. What is the IntelliSense? Let me explain. As of now, we have 3 variables: x of number type, y of string type, and z of Boolean data type. Now, the amazing thing is, if I write y and put one dot, you can see we are getting a lot of suggestions which is applicable for this y variable, and these suggestions are completely based on the data type of y. As the data type of y is string, we are getting these suggestions which is applicable only for string data type. Now if I write x and a dot, you can see we are getting the suggestions which is applicable only for number data type, as x is defined as data type number. So IntelliSense is the concept by which you can get the available suggestions for the corresponding data type of an entity, and you are getting this advantage because you have a specific data type for an entity. If you don't have the data type mentioned, there is no way for TypeScript compiler to give you these suggestions for your corresponding data types. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Take care.